Did you know that PowerPoint can record your screen and your audio? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I will walk you through the process step by step. So if you're a beginner, you can start creating professional looking screen recordings right away, and you can prepare your own tutorials without any additional software, only with PowerPoint. I will show you by an example. Let's get started. If you go to Insert tab of PowerPoint, you can find an option like this, screen recording, at the end of this part, the media part of Insert tab. By click on screen recording, menu will be open like this, and the PowerPoint will be minimized automatically, but you can also maximize this and define the area for recording. You can record the environment of PowerPoint or even environment of Windows, any other software you're working on. So it's a general tool to record every kind of program, every kind of window and software you're working on. By selecting select area, you can define any kind of area you want. You can also select hold the area, hold the window like this. You can specify the audio can be recorded or not, and the mouse cursor is visible in the recording or not. I prefer to use mouse pointer in my tutorials, and also audio is essential to transfer your meaning. So by selecting the record button or choosing the shortcut Windows logo key and Shift and R, the recording will be started. And after this countdown, the recording will be started, and it can be stopped with Windows logo key Shift and Q. Or you can go up and find the menu again and push the stop button like this. If you don't want to make it visible in your tutorial, you can use the shortcut, but it's up to you. You can record when it's minimized, so the desktop is now recording, and any other software, if you open, can be recorded. And after pressing the shortcut key or pressing this stop button, you can stop the recording, and now you can see the recorded video that is inserted in your PowerPoint. You can change the size, and it can be played. You can see. Yeah, it's recorded, and if you go to other parts, you can see that the desktop is also recorded, as I told. And at the end, you can save it wherever you want. Save media as with MP4 suffix. It's a great option in PowerPoint, and you can record your screen using this option without any additional software in your computer. I hope this trick is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, you can write your comments here or in other videos. I will answer all of them immediately. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel, and see you in other videos.